Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 325 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this e.l.f. Opposites Attract eyeshadow palette that I just got from the e.l.f. website, and this costs $14, but it comes with 18 pans. It comes with 9 warm tones and 9 cool tones. And so I went ahead and swatched all of them. And I will insert my picture of the swatches here. But I am seriously blown away by these swatches. The pigment is so good. These definitely swatched better than any other eyeshadows I've ever used before. These shimmery shades are amazing. The mattes are also so pigmented, just such beautiful colors and such a range of colors. You can really see the warm and cool tones, but some really bright, some dark. So I just love the variety here. There's one negative call out I have to make, and it's that I noticed a really unappealing smell to this. Ugh. Like, it really smells terrible. It smells very musty, kind of like mothballs. I've never had an eyeshadow palette smell bad before, but this really does not smell good to me. But besides that, this is a really big palette, and I love that they put the names under each color, and the names are cute. They're all like personality traits. So you have happy and witty and chill and genuine and wise, easygoing, cute names like that. And then it gives you on the back of it some instructions and even examples of colors to use. So it says to start out with an all over lid shade, then go in with a crease shade, and then do a liner shade. But today I'm going to be playing around with a little bit more colors than that because I want to see what I can do with this palette. But so I will start out with an all over lid shade, and I'm just going to start out with this shade in the corner here called Fresh, a very neutral light shade. Wow, even though it is light, it's showing up with pretty good pigment and definitely is a noticeable difference on my eyelid. And then for my crease shade, I'm going to go in with this witty matte brown shade. This is such a great crease shade. Blends out beautifully, and it really does give that nice shadowy depth look. I really don't know if I'm going to go in a warm or cool tone direction. Maybe I'll try and mix the two. And now I want to build up the outer corner. Maybe I'll go for a bold look. I'm going to go in with the green shade here. This is a matte forest green. It's called Wise. Oh, wow, this is so pigmented and beautiful. I can't believe I had never used an e.l.f. eyeshadow palette before. I mean, $14 is a little bit more than I was expecting, especially when the other products that I purchased were, in my opinion, so affordable and low price point. I mean, $14 is not bad, especially for this large palette that has 18 colors. And at least they are performing so well and have really great pigment, blendable. So it definitely seems like it's worth the $14. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I had already primed my eyelids using my Urban Decay Primer Potion. It practically goes without saying now, but I just had to mention that. Wow. I love how this looks right now. I could stop right here and really have this fun, smoky, but also kind of neutral, very wearable eyeshadow look. But I have to incorporate one of these beautiful shimmer shades. So I'm going to choose this shade here. It's kind of like a bronze shimmer, like a copper almost, and it's called Daring. And I'm just going to apply this using my finger. And focus this towards the inner corner of the eyelid. Beautiful. I love the sparkle that this has. It almost applies like a metallic shade. And then let's just do some blending. We do get this nice inner corner and brow highlight shade. This is called Low Key. And this is almost like a duochrome. It's kind of like a white, but also a pink shimmer. So this is like right up my alley. And then on the lower lash line, I'm going to do some liner. I'm going to use this shade here. This is called Genuine. I think this shade would also look really good as an upper lash liner shade. But for today, I don't want to make it too smoky and dramatic. So I'm only going to focus it on the lower lash line. But look at that difference. This eye with it versus this eye without it. It looks so much bigger, more glamorous, dramatic, but so easily. I really like this shade because it's not a full black shade. It's kind of, I can't really tell if it's a dark green or a dark blue, but not fully black, so I really like that. Okay, so here we have my finished look. There are endless looks that can be created from this palette. It's going to be so fun to play with. I'm going to be creating another eye look when I use this palette in my full face using all e.l.f. makeup products video that I have coming up soon. I would say that this look ended up becoming a mix of warm and cool tones, so very happy with it. All of these colors blended beautifully, applied beautifully, such great pigment. All in all, so happy. I'm definitely going to try out some more e.l.f. eyeshadow palettes in the future since I love this one so much. If you have any recommendations for other e.l.f. eyeshadows that I should try, let me know in the comments down below. I'm so happy with all of these e.l.f. products that I bought so far. I picked them all out online. I didn't get to swatch them, and I really didn't look up reviews on them or anything, so I was just hoping for good luck when I chose them, but I think I did a great job. Maybe it's not luck, maybe most of e.l.f.'s products are really good, which has been my experience so far, but still, I'm really happy with what I got. So hopefully tomorrow's product will be great as well. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.